When they get what they call wise mugu. When you dey do anybody before you dey succeed, you reach my you must go prison put. As we said, don't do police cases. I am the chairman of Human Rights Defenders and Access to Justice Advocacy Center. I funded it. When they say they fund down, I'm the founder of the organization. This woman don't have idea about activism. I promote her, I bring her to the limelight. Then, if you know any police serving or retire, the only introduction I need, I will tell you, I will tell the police, you know Rose. You say, I know Rose well. No problem. I am the owner, the founder of Wetin Make You Know Rose. You go take time, oh. You go take time. Just like you know vice president. Yeah, Missy Osibajo. You dey respect her. Buhari no dey go now. Buhari dey send you Missy Osibajo. The day when Buhari will tell you, say, that vice president, you know that you are respecting, saluting. I am the president. Oh, Ranka Dede, sir. If you want to follow by human rights stuff. If you steal my document, you go change the name. There is what they call forensic. To show say you change name without my consent, you will go prison put. And who help you change the name when you sign after you change name will go prison put. That all this one I know, I just want to bow you. Now, for you to know you not get single sense. My documents will surely be recovered. Why the one with you or whatever you hide it will be useless. But Ogun will still keep person when he carry my document. Whether the person bring and not bring and whether it is useless for your hand or not. So, I'm not just in Nigeria. I'm in Nigeria doing what I'm supposed to do. The little I will show you, you see, you see, all these are because of your Tifi Jakuriko. All these are because of your Tifi Jakuriko. Anytime anybody says see that document, make I talk less. But what I just want you to know, Rose, you are so useless. For you to think I don't know more than you, I don't know what you know, you are useless. Me, I know they're not born the person where the person even can be in spirit or life to say, even they put for herself for my house when we near and price them. You can't even near it and price it. It's not a house, it's a palace. And the person when you get there is one of the most stubborn human beings on earth, which is me. And they calm down for people. But if you talk of stubbornness, if you talk of connection, if you talk of let's just die today, no need of tomorrow, now me be number one. If you talk of generosity, let's spend, let's help people, let's help the needy, now me be number one. If I don't see to it, I will see to give people. Anything will make you take my document, whoever that took my document, what do you think? That I cannot recover it when I know say I bought it legally? Everything that needs to be done for the one that is with anybody to be useless, it has been done. But I will not stop cursing that person. Anything that needs to be done for the one in your hand to be useless, it has been done. I wish you are in Nigeria to paralyze. I feel like you being in Nigeria made this thing just they go on. As your strength pass people, make we use and try my own. So this is to announce to you and whosoever that help you to keep that document, thinking, I don't know what makes you think it's possible that I will be alive, my property will be taken. I don't really understand. Were you thinking you will be able to buy me? that I will be alive, my documents will be stolen, my property will be taken. Wow. One, I not do church marriage with you. I not do court marriage with you. If I do court marriage, even though I'm the only one that owns the property, we know we have to share it. But you fully know nothing was done. You have the right, the fear to take my document. As the Masani illiterate that I am, according to some people, that my lawyers also, I cannot pay for a lawyer to tell me what to do. Or I don't know anything. That as I'm alive, so a person can buy my house. Or as I'm alive now, even you can win and live in the house and wake up. I don't understand some people. Rose, let's even, for example, I don't have proof. I know say you did buy men before, Sha. Let's, for example, I don't have proof. So your spirit now tells you that you can win me. Then when you now win, let's do it this way. You now win. After you win, you now sell the house with the document you used to win. Then you and who buy and will they alive. I thank God say you not fit kill me, Sha. If to say you fit buy me, now the only way when it make you hide that document, because I cannot be alive. It's not possible. Even you go to court, you win this house, you will not enter the house and sleep. You will not enter the house, sleep inside. Una get mind for una state, Sha. You now, how you take think when you come collect my documents, collect receipt? I will win. The man will be alive. You will be living in the house. Or your family will come and live there. Or you will not sell it. Hey, people get mind though. Una Benue, oh yeah, Benue. Una get mind though. I know, I still they think, sometimes I will sleep, I'll just jump up for sleep. Yeah. Is it that this woman was trying to buy me when Justin say thing buy and nobody will ask? Yes, it's true. If you buy, if to say you succeed, nobody will. Because my family will not even have anything to say, we have proof. But that is the only thing. I'm thinking you thought you would be able to buy me. Because me when people say they control myself, say I too stubborn. How you one day alive, even though you change your name to the something, you can't day there, they live, you'll do okay. Hey, I just hope, I would have loved that day to come. But I hope, I just still pray that day shouldn't come. So to cut the story short, the document you have stolen, whosoever that stole my document, is becoming useless day in, day out. Because yesterday I was in the court. I done the needful. I was in where I'm supposed to be, which I can't lecture you. I'm still going on. Legally bought, paid. So every day one of the documents inside your document is getting useless. Every day one of the receipts inside your receipt is getting useless. And you are so shameless now, you can't even come out to talk again. If you want to talk, she will talk something opposite of what is happening. She's not talking of the house you said you build again. You are not talking of house you build. How can you just build this kind of house and not talking about it? Strangers are living in there, they even chase you out. Even your pikin, whether na me born or not me born, and before your pikin will even enter this house now, say, in come in papa house, they will don't reach 18 years. Has not reached your hand, it not reach your picking hand. Look at the room we prepared and say children when they born, they will come buy different things. Come buy beds, 2 beds, prince and princess beds. They can't even enjoy that thing until they reach 18 years. If they even die 18 years, they're not trouble, they want to come make with their papa, make them come. You know, see how you useless your life, useless the children when God bring to us. How you useless your own, join their own. You take their life. Children, when God give their separate life, you can't use your uselessness to affect the children's life. Children were not meant to stay in abroad though, because there's no enjoyment in abroad. Our plan is for children to come here after giving birth The children should go back only there for universities. You can't document disappear. Not even for this house alone. Other houses, other land disappear. Receipt disappear. And when you dey do am, your head no dey tell you say the man wey you know for 6 years is not, you can't do that to the man, oh, because the man pass you in everything, both spirit and life. Both stubbornness wey you stubborn, pass you. Let's buy today, I ready. The police you brought the first day will testify. It's not an art, it's not a art, it's not movie. That is who I am when I want to be myself. The story to cut and short be say Rose Owele Ahmed, the document that is missing is becoming useless on daily basis. I was in the High Court day before yesterday. Go reach High Court, if the video that High Court, it will be like saying, now God and Jesus now visit there. They don't know me, but I turn the situation around. They know says Oluomo enter court. Everybody receive anointing everywhere. Everywhere. Me a giver. You can't give anything. Na kpekus you dey give, and not everybody need that kind of old kpekus again. Me, I'm a smile giver. I give joy. I give money. I give happiness. Waiting I go do for court when it be 500 naira. Now 500 naira they say that they collect. Oh. But people line up, workers. I wire them, they happy. I spend over 150,000 naira for High Courts. When people take line up and they share money, not be say I go now share and to do what I do. What I go do for court, it costs 500 naira. We receipt. I don't know how you want to fight me. Is it spirit or life? Now God, now they punish you. Now God they punish you. Make the person hand come man side say him be go submit my house document somewhere. You and your generation will go prison, life imprisonment. And even as I dey recover my document, may they still go find something related to that document in any of your family house. Even in 10, 20 years to come, the person will still go life imprisonment. Life in prison. You know, say now only God pass me. Only God. How market? How market say document won't active, they useless for una hand. It don't turn to paper when they take the fry akara. Very soon I'll go give Aboki me take the suya because it don't useless for una hand. Very soon I say na Aboki I'll give those documents me they take suya. Because I see how useless you are. That you don't think twice. If you and your mother can try to come and buy me and not buy and at the shop una food for 6 years, waiting who be native doctor will come tell you say you will fit succeed when you can't carry document. Now carry now you can sell and suya. I'll tell you say even for another person case. Another person case, my leg dey long, talk more of my case. Anything when you know if you talk for public, why you they put your hand? Then they say they want to break diary. They want to return diary. My family now ask them, say the paper, the house document and many things one sister take. Now not bring an to return diary, now be the first thing. Now the other brother of Rose say, okay, he go ask Rose as if he not hear him. Say, "Mona give him time, me go ask Rose." According to my brother, he come back, he say, Rose, they swear heaven and earth. If he take document, he not take document. Barago. Many times when you don't thief, when police don't arrest you, you don't ever agree, say you thief. Because you know, say, you cannot talk, say you take document, you believe, say, they will record you. Believe, say, they will record now. They say they swear heaven and earth, according to your brother, say, sister, they swear heaven and earth, say, not take document. Now, spirit can't take her. You not take her. Why you not go online, go tell them say you not take am? Now online you tell them say you build the house. Why you not go tell them online say you not take am? Make them come ask you, say, if you not take am, why you not talk since why you say you build am? Not be you take am, make you talk say you build the house. They say Rose, they swear say not take my house document. Now there you go there. You. Whether you take am or you not take am, I have done more than 85% of my documents. So use that one, sell akara, because when I'm done with you, you go so go down like you go they say akara for street. So keep the house document. May you take here and take say akara. Not be by day abroad they take they make am. The most people when they useless pass Africa citizens, some of Africa citizens in Nigeria in particular, where them for they useless pass now abroad though. Not be by person they abroad they take they make am. Because if you not make am in Nigeria, you've done all type of business. And now when cause they join cause for your life, where they commit more. Now you want make am. And be the money when they pay children, they tell you say now they tell they build hotel. You see the money when they pay children, now they tell they build hotel. Now they tell they build hotel, 5-star hotel. Alright, that is the update. The document in anybody's hand is becoming akara and